Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah An-Nasr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. Hamza is very sharp. Sharp sound means it has shidda, and shidda has no flow of sound. The sound will be cut off very abruptly. The 2 counts long. Ja, Jim has very shidda sound. Like you are not escaping any sound from the makhraj. Ja. If you will let the sound flow, then it will be cha. It cannot, the ja should not sound like cha. It's not ja. This sound should not be there. Ja, 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 ja. And it is mad muttasil wajib. So make it 4 counts long. Ja. Hamza is very sharp. You are not merging this Hamza into this mud letter. It has very, very separate, clear sound. Ja. Nas. Noon is light for fatha upon jaws. Attach it. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy and it has safir. It has this whistle sound too. Nas. Uru for the dhamma, circle ellipse, and ra is heavy. Whenever ra has dhamma or fatha, it is heavy, always heavy. Uru. And then lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it is always heavy. Uru. And then it is 2 counts long because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. He for kasra give e sound. Well for wow circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws. This the makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Well, fat give hams in fatha first, and then attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath, and it not sound should it should not sound like seen. It will stay ta even it has hums. Fat, and then ha has rakhawa and hums. Fat, give hums here first and then give rakhawa. Fat, إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. For wow, circle lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. For fatha upon jaws. Hamza is very sharp, and this is lean whenever there is ya and wow with sakoon. Letter ya or letter waw has sakoon, and it has fatha letter before it. Fatha before it. Then this is lean, and lean letter should be recited very softly, and it will be 2 counts long. Hamza is sharp. Then for fatha upon jaws attached with noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Then, and then it is 2 counts long. Na, sa, for fatha upon jaws, the sound has safi and the sound is short. Sa, yad, ya is soft. You're lifting your tongue up to touch the palate, but it is not touching. That is making ya very soft sound. Yad. And dal has qalqala. Hu for the circle ellipse, and ha is heavy letter. Hu, lu for Dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fi 2 counts long. D 2 counts long. Nil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Whenever there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be light. Nila, Nila. 2 counts long. He for kasra give E sound. F Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of hums and hums is flow of breath. F wa for wow, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Wa ja 2 counts long. وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. F give hums on fa, and hums is flow of breath. F sab for fatha open jaws and attached ba will get shidda. Sab and then for kasra give e sound and attach it ha will get sifa of rukhawa and hums. Bih fasab bih b for kasra give e sound. Ham for fatha open jaws attach with meme. Ha should be from your throat. Attach with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut and ruling it with har. Hamdi for kasra give e sound. Rab ra is heavy. Whenever ra is fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. For fatha upon jaws attach with ba will get sifa of shidda. Rabbi, and there should not be a gap in between when you are saying in flow in wasl. I'm saying it for you, so you should know what you are doing right now. Rab, and then for kasra give e sound b. Rabbi, Rabbi. This should be in a flow. Ka for fatha upon jaws. Was for wow, the makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha upon jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safir, and it is light. Was that is very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws attached with ghain. Ghain will get the sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy. For kasra give e sound attached to ra will get sifa of rakhawa and sorry tawassut, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. Fir, first give tawassut here and then give rakhawa on ha. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره. In Hamza is very sharp. Of kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal. Inna for fatha upon jaws. Who for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Taw, ta is sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached to wow. Wow will get sifa of never, and never is jump of sound. Whenever wow and ya are with tashdid, you are giving nabar, and nabar if is a jump of sound. Taw, tawa, then it is 2 counts long. Ba 2 counts long because of mad arid. Why this meme is there? Because they if you wanted to join with the coming up ayah, and that will be Bismillah to start the other surah. That's why this meme is here, because there is a tanween to fatha, and it is being changed with meme letter because this there is a ruling of iqlab is going on. So that will be توابا بسم الله lillahi. So that's why this meme is there. But you are stopping here, so don't worry about this meme. You are giving it mata. I will tawwaba. That will be 2 counts long. Innahu kana tawwaba. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.